themselves and find their way back. And whatever that back is, Andrea is setting herself up to receive these women and children, to make them whole again, to give them those soft social skills and employment skills that they will need, that after they're able and ready to leave back out into the world, they don't make those same choices, you guys. They make better choices for themselves and for their children. They change their whole lives because of her. Because of her passion and because of Andrea's dream, this whole thing is going to come together. You watch. 2014, 2015 is going to rock. We're super excited about the soft employment skills that they're going to be getting. She's assembling an amazing group of board of directors that are going to come together and support these young women, old women. Hey, and you know what I discovered is that domestic violence it doesn't see sex, and it doesn't see race, and it doesn't see age, it doesn't see any of that. So Terry is going to open their arms to people who have their arms broken, battered, twisted, chained up, tied up, and she's going to break those binds, and she's going to put those women back where they belong, in confidence and self-assuredness and self-esteem, and she's going to send them back out into the world as the beautiful human beings that they were created to be. And that is Andrea's dream and passion and goal. And she has brought us all together tonight to make this very passionate dream come to life, and we are so grateful that you came here tonight. Thank you so very much, Andrea. No, thank you. We really appreciate it. And if there's anything that the community can do, please reach out to Andrea or to myself. I'm Stevie Kellum. We've got a television show on the CW. Reach out to Joseph. Reach out to Kate Bell. Reach out to Stephen Blair. Reach out to Kevin Kellum. Let us know how you feel like you can fit into our family, because we are bigger than one person. We are a whole community coming together to offer safe haven to the nation. If you need it, you come out and you find us. But it's going to take more than a couple of people. So if you're administrative, if you are a counselor, if you have stuff to donate, it's been sitting in your garage forever and you need to get rid of it, we need it. If you've got food, if you're a nutritionist, if you are an exercise coach, if any of those things, we need you, because these women need you. They need you. So come together. Find Soteria on Facebook. Find their website eventually, and then you can come and meet Andrea. As you can well imagine, we're not going to disclose the location of our home. We're not going to tell you where it's at. We're not going to share very much except for all the exciting progress that we're making. We've got to protect these women, and we've got to protect ourselves, but we are happy to have you aboard and helping us along. Thank you so much for welcoming us here to Studio at 4th. On 4th this evening. Thanks so much to the wonderful bartenders that are helping us out this evening. Thanks to everybody who showed up. Thank you so much for the artists that have come out tonight to support and bring awareness to this amazing thing that we've got going on together. And we need your help. We need you to reach out and join us. This is a community action. It's community awareness, and we welcome you aboard with open arms, just the way we open our arms to those beautiful women who need the help. Thanks so much. I'm Stevie K. We've got Andrea here with Soteria. Reach out to us, because we need you the way we need you. Thanks so much.
Can't forget Dan Kim. Cannot forget Dan Kim.
Hey everybody. Check. Test. Test. I'm going to start things off with an older song. The song's called Heal.